Hi, Nick here at Sherwood Dodge. I'm going to show you a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude Instinct Gray. This does have the 3.6 V6 Pentastar engine. You got your blacked out accents there, blacked out tow hooks, blacked out rims. Beauty of a vehicle. Go check out the inside. All right, in this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude Instinct Gray, we got your 8.4 touchscreen. Does have navigation. You got your heated seats, heated steering wheel. You got a backup camera there as well. You got your stop and start system here. Does have the Pro Tech safety group there. So you got your lane departure keep. You got your blind spot monitors. You got Bluetooth in here as well. Again, leather with suede. Tons of room in the back. This will have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well. For more information and pricing, comment below or give me a call at 780-907-9334. Thanks. Have a great day.